If the Temu app is showing a no internet error, here is how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turning airplane mode on and off to reset the connection. If you are on Wi-Fi, restart your router and reconnect. Next, clear the app's cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, find Temu on the list, then tap on it, then tap on Storage, then Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the issue. Then reopen the app and check if it works. Make sure your Temu app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Temu, and install any available updates. Older versions may have bugs that prevent the app from working properly. If the issue persists, restart your phone to refresh the system. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix network related problems. Check if Temu servers are down by searching online or checking social media for any outage reports. If the problem is on their end, you may have to wait until it's fixed. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the Temu app from the Google Play Store to get a fresh version. And that's it. Hopefully, your Temu app is back online. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.